enter a cooking class in My Epicure 2.0, you will begin by scheduling, which means setting up the host, date, and time of the event in the system. Once the event is clicked in the system, orders can be placed through it. Click on the menu icon at the top left of your screen to open the sidebar menu. Select My Cooking Classes to go to the cooking class screen. Here you can see all your cooking classes, and you can add, delete, or edit any cooking class on the list. To add your new cooking class event, once you select Cooking Class, a dialog box will pop up giving you the option of entering a cooking class or a future booking. In this case, you'll select Cooking Class, since this cooking class is not being booked through another cooking class. Now it's time to select your host. If your host is already one of your existing contacts, you can start typing the host's name and then select the appropriate contact from the list that appears. If your host is not currently a contact, you'll select Add New Contact. It's quick and easy to input the information required. An email address is required so that your host will receive an email as soon as the host benefits are ready to be claimed. Enter a phone number, and then click Add Contact. Next, select the date and time of your event. After it's entered, the cooking class date can be changed to a date up to 30 days beyond or prior to the current date in the system. Once the date of a cooking class is passed, however, you will not be able to change the date in the system. Review the information, making sure that the date, time, and host of your event are correct. Then click Add Cooking Class. You can now confirm that your cooking class shows up on your My Cooking Classes page. When you hover your mouse over the cooking class, options will pop up for you to interact with that event. You can view the details of that class, edit, close, add orders, or cancel the event. And you can schedule future bookings and even opportunity chats through it. Let's view the details of a cooking class. From here, you can view all the orders that have so far been placed through the cooking class. The general order for the cooking class will be highlighted. At the top, you will see the link for the cooking class that you can share with all those wishing to place an online order. You can send out this link to all guests in advance of the cooking class with instructions on how to set up an epicure.com account so they can shop before or even after the cooking class. Along the right-hand side, you'll see the sales and compensation totals for the cooking class. In this case, we can see that this class has already qualified. You can also see host benefits accrued thus far, including the future booking bonus benefit, which means that at least one guest at this cooking class has booked their own class through this event. From here, you can schedule a future booking for one of the cooking class customers, or you can book an opportunity chat to share the business opportunity. You can add orders to the cooking class by hovering over it and choosing Add Order. If you're adding orders for the first time, options to add either a general or direct ship order will pop up. If you've already begun a general order, it will default to a direct ship order. To add to your saved general order, you must click on the actual order found either by viewing the cooking class details or on the orders page. It's important not to close the cooking class event until all the orders have been placed through it. The system will auto-close all cooking classes at 11:59 p.m. Pacific Time, 3 days after the cooking class event. For info on how to process cooking class orders through your cooking class event, make sure to check out the other training videos. Happy ordering!